Hi everyone, this is Mark of Tech Pinas, and this is my quick unboxing of the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless M3 TW earphones. So this pair is now available at the all-new official Sennheiser online store in Lazada, Philippines. And this one comes with a price tag of 19,990 pesos. But the good thing is that if you're going to buy it from July 30 to August 2, 2019, you can get 10% off, bringing its price down to just 17,990 pesos. So in this video, after I do my unboxing, I'm going to give you several reasons why I think the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless is ideal for Pinoy audiophiles who are looking for elegant gadgets that can match their active lifestyles. Okay, so if you're interested, join me. Let's go!
Alright, so this is the official packaging, and as you can see on top, we have the image of the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless earphones, and around it you'll be able to read about the many key features and main selling points of the product. Now let's remove the plastic cover to check out all of the items inside. Lifting the lid, we are greeted by the two Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless earphones as well as their gorgeous carrying case. This accessory, which also works as a charging case, has a clamshell design and a finely textured exterior made of durable cloth. Now let's take a closer look at the Momentum wireless earphones themselves. As you can see, in terms of size, they are comparable to that of other earbuds that are already out in the market. But in terms of power and sound quality, I'd say that they are well ahead of the game. Design-wise, these earphones have an air of understated elegance, which will make them look good on you whether you are in a corporate setting or in a black tie event. Okay, now let's check out all the other stuff inside the box. Removing this black foam, we see this white sleeve which contains additional silicone earbuds as well as the charging cable and other documentation. This note shows you how to charge the earphones using the case. The extra silicone buds come in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, and all of them can offer great noise cancellation. The provided USB Type-C charging cable can work with any USB travel charger like the one for your Android smartphone or Apple iPhone. The user manual unravels into a big piece of paper, and since it's very concise, I suggest that you read it to get quick information on how to use a Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless earphones. And finally, of course, we have the user safety guide. And there you have it. That's a complete retail package of the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless M3 TW earphones. So again, we have the earbuds themselves, the slim carrying case, the extra silicone buds, the charging cable, user manual, and user safety guide.
Okay, now let me give you my thoughts about the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless earphones. So the first thing I like about it would have to be definitely the sound quality. Frankly, it's quite rare for wireless earbuds to deliver good bass and brilliant trebles and vocals, but this pair is certainly a cut above the rest when it comes to those departments. So if you're looking for really like top-notch sound experience coming from wireless earbuds, get this pair. It's really good. Okay, so the second thing I like about the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless Earphones would have to be its elegant design. So as you can see here, the earbuds have this metallic outer rim with the S Sennheiser logo, and I think it's really eye-catching. And I think this will even look good if you have your business attire or your long-sleeved shirts on, or even when you're working out in the gym. I'm sure you will get a few glances from people, and some may even ask you what you're wearing. Momentum also features touch controls. So on the left bud, you can just tap once to play or to pause a music track, tap twice to jump to the next song, tap 3 times to go back to the previous track, or press and hold to control the volume. It's so easy and convenient. This pair of wireless earphones from Sennheiser also work with popular voice assistants including Google. So you can just tap once on the right earbud and start talking to Google. Like for example, you can ask it what's the #1 song on Billboard currently, or where's the nearest Starbucks branch. Another thing I love about this product is its slim carrying case, this one, which looks just as classy and elegant as the earphones themselves. And what's even nicer is that it works as a charging case, giving you a total of 12 hours of music playback, which is really handy when you're on the road or in flight. And finally, I think it's great that the Momentum is already Bluetooth 5.0 compliant, which means that it's more energy efficient, and it also results in less stuttering when you're playing your music anywhere you are. So there you have it. Let me know if you have any questions about the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless Earphones in the comment section below. Again, this pair is now officially available at the Sennheiser official store in Lazada, Philippines for 19,990 pesos. But if you buy it from July 30 to August 2, 2019, you can enjoy 10% off, bringing its price down to just 17,990 pesos. Okay, that's it. Thumbs up.